Eric Kumi views on artificial intelligence, Me and My AI, as a transformative force with the potential to reshape the global economy and redefine the way businesses, institutions, organizations, and individuals operate. He emphasizes that AI is not only a technological advancement, but also a catalyst for innovation, efficiency, and inclusive growth. In his perspective, AI will increasingly influence decision-making, service delivery, education, agriculture, and productivity across industries, creating both opportunities and challenges that demand careful navigation. Importantly, Eric highlights the implications of AI for children in Africa and across the world. He believes that ensuring equitable access to AI-driven education and tools will be critical for empowering the next generation, bridging digital divides, and preparing young people for future economic and social participation. For him, AI's true value lies in its ability to create shared progress that benefits communities globally, while avoiding the risks of exclusion and inequality.